Hello everyone, so today I received this gift from my sister and I'm going to open it for you and for me because I cannot wait to see what is it. Now I'm hoping for Mulan because that's my favorite from the possibilities that we have for the Disney 100 collection, but let's see what we got. I mean, I would also love to have Baymax. Oh, it's Dr. Facilier. This is the villain from The Princess and the Frog, as you might recall. So let's see. This is really evil green. I really like this part, like these new bases for Disney 100. Here we have his hat, and then what else? Let's see in here. Comes with like a instructions, but I'm not sure what it's all for. So we have like his book of spells and charms, and then we have this kind of staff that reminds me of the one of Lucius Malfoy. So let's put this part here. Then he should be here, and this should be in here. And yeah, that's it. The really evil Dr. Facilier, it's here. So we have tons of options. I don't think I will be buying this because there's a lot that I don't particularly like, but I don't know. I will figure this out. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.